the global epidemic is on a downward path. But best case scenario is Greece is open for business July 1st, and we're working towards that. So we're preparing.
As a region, but to pursue climate-smart development. As we forge ahead to build
unidad. Tres principios que han sido básicos en la historia de nuestro país. Hago votos porque los guatemaltecos tengan la libertad de perseguir sus sueños y realizarse en la tierra.
En tant que citoyen, je paraphrase Zobelemu, qui est un professeur, un constitutionnaliste de taille.
First of all, let me congratulate Indian people for the 150 years of...
What a privilege it is for me to speak on this occasion as we honor a great leader.
Nous devons avoir des résultats. Il faut que les résultats soient tangibles. Réflexion sur stratégie est extrêmement importante. Et nous connaissons un haut commandement de la police nationale là, qui a une pile capacité pour faire ça. Je dis, il faut nous descendre à terre.
Estamos complacidos de acompañar al presidente Santos en este evento tan importante para él, pero también para Colombia.
And a threat to Europe.
Tisztelt Hölgyeim és Uraim! A Magyarországot súlyosan sértő jelentésre adott választ, amit a magyar kormány dolgozott ki.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am pleased to be here today to address the important issues we are facing because of the COVID.
Reality for millions around the world. Their lives and livelihoods are already facing its adverse.
Senang dapat melakukan pertemuan bilateral dengan Yang Mulia. Suatu kehormatan bagi Indonesia ditunjuk sebagai
فشاری بر اعمال حقوق خود و ضرورت احترام و همکاری بین المللی در اعمال این حقوق آماده گفتگوهای بدون تأخیر.
Tribes and community leaders and communities in these various neighborhoods of Baghdad, Anbar, Diyala, are taking the fight against Al-Qaeda.
This marks a significant day in the history of this state, particularly so for survivors and their families.
This is not our intention. We want to advance the issues of concern to all of us, and we want to do so in such a way as to facilitate negotiations on a final status. I also want to make clear...
Ministra in Parlamento. La giornata di oggi va dunque intesa soltanto come un primo passo. Il programma Next Generation EU prevede per l'Italia 191 miliardi e mezzo da
right across the world who have already applied on the Jam COVID app to return home. It is important for your note that we have been in discussions with Royal Caribbean Cruise Line, your employers, from as far back as April 21 when we wrote
安心をして安定をした生活をすることができるようにそのためには安倍総理が進めてきた取り組みを継承し
team for inviting me to be part of this special event. And my greetings to all attendees at this virtual gathering.
To the people who voice out different opinions, we will be building up a dialogue with all people.
Over the last 4 years. In ways that you least expect. What we are trying to do, for example...
Yes. Did Kiribati ask for particular sort of help from other countries and member states?
Yes.
Yes.
I did raise that.
And
I did raise that. I also... You and Deputy Secretary...
الله وعاهد شعب الكويت وعاهدكم أن أبذل غاية جهدي وكل ما في وسعي حفاظا على رفعة الكويت وعزتها وحماية أمنها لأمنها.
жүктөлгөн милдеттерди толук аткарууга бардык күч аракетимди ички жана тышкы саясаттарда
Certainly in the room last night, I have zero sense that the unity of Europe is threatened. The EU 27, we are